Hello guys, and welcome to adding images from external sources by WA courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add images from external sources from different websites and by using the URL of the image. Okay, so it's very straightforward. You just get the URL of the image and I'll show you how you can embed that to any WordPress post. So with the introduction out the way, let's get started with the video. So right now on my editor, so the same way you add an image, so you just go over there and click on image, but the difference is we're not going to be uploading and we're not going to go to the media library. We're going to click on insert from URL. Okay, so once you click on insert from URL, it's going to ask you for a URL here. So I'm going to go over to pixels.com, which is a free stock website, and I'm just going to grab the URL of this image. So I'll right click and click on copy image address. Okay, so if I go over here and I paste this in here and I click on enter, it should get that image and add that to our website. Okay, so this image isn't really on our website, we're just hot linking it from here. Okay, so that's how you can add an image using link. You can add as many images as you want. So let's just add one more so we get used to it. Click on image widget, click on insert from URL. I just grab this by copying the image address and I'm going to paste this here and click on enter, and we have the image here. Okay, so you could do things like reshaping the resize the image if you want, but that's essentially how adding images with URL works. So I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you guys in the next one.